Darsha. How are you? I hope you're doing good. It's been a while since we did some science experiments. Today let's do one cool science experiment. I have 3 questions. The first question is, have you ever thought is it possible to keep a candle burning underwater? The second question is there any way to keep a candle burning underwater? The third question is, what will happen to the burning candle in the presence of water? Okay, let's find out all the answers by observing the experiment. Without wasting much time, let's get started. To carry out this science experiment, we need a candle. Make sure that the candle is about the same height as the bowl you're using, a glass bowl, a matchbox and water. Let's start doing the experiment. First, light the candle. Let some melted wax drip into the center of the bowl. Once there is enough wax to stick the candle to the bowl, stick the candle onto it. Pour water into the bowl. Since we took candle of the same height as of the bowl, we are completely filling the bowl with water. Make sure that you don't submerge the candle. Observe the candle as it burns. If you look through the water, the candle size is enlarged. When the candle is burning just above the water surface, the candle is transformed into a hollow tube of wax. This happens due to the water that is surrounding the candle. The water keeps the outer layer of the candle at a cool temperature so that the area touching the water never melts and helps in forming a wall of wax. Here, the flame actually comes below the surface of the water. At this point of time, after almost 45 minutes, the candle seemed to turn off and lightened itself again. Here, if you observe carefully, the flame is coming from below the surface of the water. And finally, let's see how the candle is turning out by itself. Did you observe the flickering and how it turned off? The smoke is coming out. Let's measure how deep the hollow was formed. It is around 18 millimeters. When you light a candle out of water, the melted wax flows out downward and forms ridges on the candle wall, as you observe in the video. I couldn't observe any kind of wax wall that was formed when the candle was placed in the water. Did you observe how the candle burnt underwater? And the wax formed a wall around the wick. It was pretty cool, right? I hope you enjoyed this video. To learn more science experiments, keep watching this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.